Three. Sorry about that, guys. Number 3. And guys, I can still see, okay? I'm still able to see through. Funny. All right. Do we have sunglass number 4 by any chance? Oh, yes! We have sunglasses number 4. God damn. In today's video, we are taking this F-150 Lightning truck and exploring the BlueCruise, which is the hands-free system that Ford has. You do not want to miss this video because at the end of it, we're going to test it out and we are going to try to fool it. See how smart this vehicle is. What is going on, social media family? My name is Jorge Lopez and I am your sales consultant. We are located in Tomball, Texas, and Tomball Ford is your dealership of choice. Welcome to yet another video where we are discussing BlueCruise. Yeah, we're talking about BlueCruise. I'm going to show you how to activate it, when to use it, and why you want to use it. All of that stuff in this video. Hey, if you have not looked at my previous video, I do a walk around review of this truck. If you want to check it out, I'll link in the top in the cards and it's also in the description of this video. So without further ado, as always, I want to start with the window sticker of this truck so that you can check out exactly what I'm looking at. Well, again, we are using this F-150 Lightning. It is Mr. Anderson's Lightning truck, my customer, and yes, I have full permission to use BlueCruise, to use this truck, and to showcase you how this BlueCruise works. And let's just quickly see what this vehicle has to offer. So as you know, this is a 2022 F-150 Lightning 4-wheel drive, which by the way, all Lightnings are 4-wheel drive. It's a pretty awesome thing. This one does have the dual motor, the extended range battery, rapid red. This is a Lariat package, and as you can see, a few options there for a grand total of $81,334, which is a pricey vehicle. But let me tell you, it has a lot of phenomenal features. First of all, I want to say, what the heck is BlueCruise, right? BlueCruise is a system that will allow a specific vehicle to accelerate, decelerate, and keep you in a predetermined spot in a lane on a divided highway. And right now, everybody, you know that we're going electric. Electric is it is the future. And as we progress, as years come, we're gonna have more and more highways available. So BlueCruise is what I'm gonna show you on this vehicle. I'm gonna go out on the road, test it out for you, and make sure that you stay through the video because I'm gonna try to fool BlueCruise. I brought some props. You can probably see one right there on the dash of the vehicle, and I'm gonna see if we can fool BlueCruise. Ask where can we use BlueCruise? Well, let me tell you first of all that we've got about 100,000 miles of divided highway and roads that Ford has mapped into the system of the truck to know exactly where it is at. And let me tell you, like I said before, EV is the future. Electric vehicles is it, and there's going to be more highways, more streets added to this map. And how this vehicle uses this system is by using some sensors. As you can see, camera up there. We also have sensors here in the front, and all of these sensors here in the vehicle, along with the technology and over-the-air updates, will allow the truck to know exactly where it is at. So where? 100,000 miles so far. Okay, so now we come inside of the Ford Lightning, and I'm going to show you when and how to use this vehicle, this system, which by the way, I was telling my coworkers here that it's actually pretty simple. It is not a big deal, but I want to show you how to set it up. So first of all, let's turn this puppy on. Part one, we have to go into the menu and setting button here. As you can see right there, we go to the driver assistance menu. This is the important one. Why? Because now you set to cruise control. You see how it's in normal mode right now? Okay, so now we have to change it to adaptive cruise control. Second, we have to go into the lane centering and turn on the speed recognition. So that's step one. You have to prep the vehicle, right? So the next thing you need to do is you need to turn on your cruise control. So when you're on the road, when you're on the street, and you're ready to test out the BlueCruise, you turn that on. The next thing you need to do is make sure that your hands are on the steering wheel, okay? and that you're looking forward. Why? Because there's a camera right here, and guess what? There is a camera over there too. And these two cameras are looking at your eyeballs. All right, so if you are looking straight, your hands are on the steering wheel, you got the cruise control on, and you got the settings turned on, then shortly thereafter, you're gonna notice a symbol on the dash telling you that the system is ready for BlueCruise. And then guess what? Now you get to enjoy the ride. So this is the when and how to use it. Why do we use it? Well, heck, it's because it's a lot of fun. So I'm gonna take you on to the next part of this video where we test that out. Well, we come to the fun part of why we use the BlueCruise, and it's because it's damn fun to use BlueCruise on an F-150. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to set it up. Well, I did already, but I'm going to show you on the streets, on the road, a real life test of how the BlueCruise works. And like I told you and I promised, towards the end of the video, I am going to try to fool BlueCruise. As you can see, we got a prop right there. I got some other props here in the vehicle, and we're gonna see how well can these cameras detect an object in front of me. So without further ado, let's go onto the streets and let's test the BlueCruise. All right, guys, we are now on the road, close to the dealership. As you can see right here, we got the stuff that I told you needs to be on. We will turn on your cruise control. Make sure that your hands are on the steering wheel. We have your cruise control on. We've got it set at 67. Let's just go down to 65 just to make sure. And look at that message right there. It says it is on hands-free. And you can also see the little icon representing the F-150 Lightning. And you can see the bubble around it. So right now I am hands-free driving. Isn't that freaky? Look, no hands, no feet, and we're just cruising along on Highway 249 with a couple of people here in the truck just enjoying the F-150's technology. And let me tell you guys, first of all, the ride quality, I told you on the last video, is extremely well. It's actually better than the regular F-150, and that is because of the independent suspension. There is no solid axle on the rear wheels, which create a little bit more of a bumpier road. This one here is so smooth. The seat, the material, this is very comfortable, and I can easily take it on an extremely long trip and not have to worry about anything. Okay, so I wanted to show you, it is about to make this turn. Look, 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 look. It is doing a turn on the freeway, hands-free, no foot activation, nothing, and it's making the freaking turn. As you can see here in the map, it is making the turn all on its own. It is truly hands-free. This is so weird, very weird, to be able to just sit back, obviously keep looking forward, and enjoying the ride. And guys, this is such a quiet ride. So the fun part of the video now begins, where I am going to be getting some props and seeing if my Lightning here can catch. This one here can catch me not looking at it. So let's see. If somebody's wearing a hat, yeehaw, gig 'em. If somebody's wearing a hat, can the BlueCruise still work? Obviously this is not my hat, but let's see if the BlueCruise is still working, which it is. And I'm gonna switch lanes because I don't like that guy being too close to me. So let's switch over. But BlueCruise is not on it. Oh, it's still on. Yes, it's still on. Hands-free, still on. So the hat works. How about we try the mask? Let's try the mask. Let's take the hat off. I am doing all of this without touching the steering wheel. Obviously, this mask should have no impact on it seeing my eyes. I'll get it closer to my eyes. Oh, watch the road. It says watch the road. Okay, I am. Oh, it is not detecting me. Look, the mask folded, didn't, oh. Yep, wow, you can't wear a mask. Resume control. It didn't like the mask. Now, I'm surprised. What the heck? This has nothing to do with my eyes. Okay, next prop. What do we have? Surprise prop. Sunglasses. Sunglass number 1. Let's see. We are in hands-free. Letting go. Looking straight. No problem. Hands-free. Okay. How about we add another sunglasses? Okay. Sunglass number 2. Okay. Wow, and I think we have a third set of sunglasses, which I'm gonna get here shortly, but I'm looking straight. Dude, I'm still surprised at the mask. It didn't like the mask, but it's liking 2 sunglasses. How weird is that? Okay, sunglass number 3.
I think you're the third.
No, oh yeah, number 3. Number 3. Sorry about that, guys. Number 3. And guys, I can still see, okay? I'm still able to see through. I look funny. All right. Do we have sunglass number 4 by any chance? Oh yes, we have sunglasses number 4. Damn. Obviously, we got 5 set of people in here helping me make sure that we are safe, because safety is first. But hey, we are in danger because of you guys, so I think we deserve a like. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel to see more upcoming videos. And sunglasses are not fooling this thing yet. A mask, it didn't like the mask. What the heck? All right, let me take this off. Wow. Wow and wow. Okay, what else do we have?
Got an eye patch.
Eye patch. Let's get an eye patch going. Yes, we came prepared for this video today. Eye patch. Let's see. Eye patch. Yes, I know, I look ridiculous. Eye patch, and I'm looking straight and nothing. No problem at all. Hands-free, good to go. BlueCruise on. Okay. Nothing yet. Crossing my arms. Enjoying the F-150 Lightning, no problem. So I guess what the truck doesn't like is masks. Isn't that weird? So this was a, do we have anything else? Of course we have. We have to represent. Kick 'em. Hands-free. I'm gonna lower my cap the lowest that I can while still trying to see forward, and I can. No issues. It likes hats. I think it likes it because it's an A&M hat. What do you think?
I don't think
Yes, yes. My cameraman agrees. He loves A&M, and so do my peeps in the back. Can I get some gig-ums?
Gig 'em.
Woo! Uh-oh, we got it. No, we didn't.
Oh, when you turned around.
Oh, when I turned around. Okay, guys, look forward. Do not try this. Shit, I can't do it. No, I cannot do it. I cannot do it for the sake of safety, because I'm responsible for some lives in here. But hey, this is a fun experiment. I loved it. It was cool. The Ford Lightning is a phenomenal vehicle. I definitely recommend you consider it. And hey guys, we are your sales consultant at Tomball Ford, and yes, we do funny things like this, but in all seriousness, I am your sales consultant. I've been here for 24 years. I've never left the dealership. If you give me an opportunity to help you, it would be my pleasure to get you a Lightning at MSRP. We are not like some other dealerships where they charge over MSRP. If you live outside of Texas, that is fine, because we can ship, so there's no problem. My contact information is on the screen right there. You can see it. Make sure that you message me through my website, askjorgelopez.com. Let's get together. Let's get you a Lightning. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this video so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. We love it. Lightning, the best. On to the next video. Have a blessed day. Here you go.